What's up, Rich Crew? This is your boy Rich Action coming to you with another video. Yesterday we talked about dark energy crystal and how you can get anywhere between $25 to $100 in SPS tokens, depending on the price of SPS, just by holding DEC, dark energy crystal. Right? In today's video, we're gonna be going over step by step how to buy dark energy crystal and how to start holding it so that you get SPS tokens. So let's go. So check this out. In order to buy dark energy crystal, you're gonna have to have some Ethereum. You can either use, I use Gemini, or sometimes I use Coinbase to buy my Ethereum, and then I swap it over to my MetaMask. If you don't know how to do that, I'll put another video up later, or you can look through YouTube. There's a whole bunch of videos in terms of how to transfer money to Coinbase. Just use Coinbase and open up a MetaMask account, right? So this is dark energy crystal. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to CoinGecko.com. CoinGecko, G-E-C-K-O, right? And then you're gonna go to Uniswap. Uniswap is an exchange that you can use to swap your Ethereum that you're gonna be putting onto your MetaMask, right? And swapping it over for dark energy crystal. The reason I have you go to CoinGecko is because I don't want you getting hacked, right? So by going to Uniswap, you can just straight go to websites right on the right side, click on uniswap.org. You're gonna see launch app towards the top right, click that. It's gonna ask you to connect your wallet to Uniswap. And you're using MetaMask, I suggest you use MetaMask because that's what I use and it's the easiest. Right now, I don't know if you can see this or not, you should be able to. I have around $32 of USD Ethereum in here, so I'm gonna swap that over right now so that you can see, right? So I have my Uniswap open. You can also do this on Binance, on PancakeSwap. It's a little harder, but if you prefer doing it on PancakeSwap, do it on PancakeSwap, right? Uniswap, you're gonna go to dark energy crystal and you're gonna look it up. DEC, dark energy crystal, DEC, make sure it's dark energy crystal, not DCRED, Decentraland, or Denture. It's a lot of acronyms. Dark energy crystal. Click on that. And right to the right, you're gonna see something that says contract. Now, every individual token has its own little contract address. This one is for Tron. You're gonna click on the three dots right here to the right, and you're gonna see one for Binance and one for Ethereum. You're gonna click on the one for Ethereum because we're on the Ethereum blockchain and we're on Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange for Ethereum tokens. So that's what we're gonna be using right now. So I'm copying that address by click copy. And also you might wanna add it to your MetaMask as well so that you can see it when you open up your MetaMask. So I'm copying it right now, going to Uniswap. I have my Ethereum right here. I can put max, right? I don't have a lot of Ethereum. And then I'm gonna paste the address that we just copied. Let me do it again. Select token and paste it up here. That's the contract address, correct? And you see that it comes up with dark energy crystal, right? When I select that, right now it says my max Ethereum is 0.012. I'm able to trade 0.0002. No liquidity right now. I think this is V1 that I'm using, so I'm gonna go to V2, click to trade with V2. Now you can see, hold on, let me see. Let me go back to Ethereum. Okay, and let me see if I can go to max, my balance. 0.0, let me see, max. Okay, it's giving me 0.002 because the Ethereum prices are still high, I'm guessing, and that's the max I can do right now. I can still get 106 dark energy crystals, so that's kind of impressive. You're gonna click swap, right? And then you're gonna do confirm swap. I might cancel all of this because I don't feel like wasting the money right now. And then you're gonna have sufficient funds. The gas fee with Ethereum right now is $34, so I suggest you doing this at night. They just had their hard fork, and the gas fees are still ridiculous. I can't wait till Cardano does smart contracts, really. But anyway, the gas fee is too high for me, so I'm gonna reject that. But you'll just hit confirm, and then you'll see the transfer happen from your Ethereum to your dark energy crystal, right? Dismiss, go. So once you have your dark energy crystal in your MetaMask account, your MetaMask web browser, right? Chrome extension, you're gonna go to dark energy crystal back at CoinGecko. You're gonna go to Splinterlands, this says website. Every time you bring up a coin, it's gonna have a corresponding website. You're doing it this way so you make sure that you go to the right website. There's a lot of fake websites out there. Just go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, bring up the coin, then go to website, or you could copy the contracts, either Ethereum or Binance, right? But go to Splinterlands. When you go there, you're gonna see that you're not connected to your wallet, right? You can do play now, and it's gonna ask you to connect to your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, or do an email and password. I just do my MetaMask account because it's easier to log in that way, right? But I wanna show you, in order to like play the game and take part of the rewards and so forth like that, like you can learn how to play, you can fight, practice, rank, but you're not gonna be getting the daily quests that you can do, and you're not gonna be able to participate in the season pass unless you unlock your rewards. And I definitely suggest you do that. You can just hit this, go to shop, and it's literally $10. You can use your dark energy crystal that you just purchased in order to buy it, or you can use PayPal or a code. I suggest just using the crypto that you just bought. It's $10, right? So once you do that, you click login, MetaMask, sign in, right? So I'm signed in right now. You can see that I'm signed in. I can do play now. I've already bought the battle pass, so I have 4 days left in it, and you don't have to keep buying it every time the season ends. It's automatically, you have it. Once you buy the spell book, you have it, right? And I'm also able to do the daily quest. That gives me more dark energy crystal every time I fight in ranked match and I complete the quest, right? So if I go up here, right here is for SPS tokens. Right here is the amount of dark energy crystal that I have in the game right now. You can either keep your dark energy crystal on your MetaMask account, or you can transfer it in game. Let me show you that, right? So say that I wanted to transfer dark energy crystal from the game, in game, you see it says in game. I have 5,515 in game, meaning that it's on their servers, right? Ethereum, I have 101,000 in my MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. On the Binance Smart Chain, I have 72,000 because I transferred some Ethereum over that I had recently in the Binance Smart Chain, and I bought more dark energy crystal, right? Say that I wanted to transfer this 5,515 out of the game, right? I would just click the corresponding wallet I want to transfer to. I'm going to say Ethereum wallet, and I would select transfer out, right? And it says you must transfer more than 10,000 DEC when sending to Ethereum, as 10,000 DEC will be deducted from the transfer amount to cover the gas fees. So you have to transfer at least 10,000, not 2,000 in this case, to cover the gas fees. I'm not transferring out, but say that I wanted to transfer 2,000 into the game. I could do. So I can transfer 2,000 into the game if I wanted to, but I would have to pay the Ethereum gas fee. I'm not doing that right now because I'm not paying no gas fee, but I wanted to show you. So say that I wanted to transfer it to same concept, 2,000, and I wanted to transfer it to my Binance Smart Chain. Remember, Ethereum Smart Chain wallet and your Binance wallet is the same as your MetaMask. So just to take it, if you have it set up in your MetaMask, right? So say that I wanted to transfer some of this 72,000, 2,000 out of it. I can just do the same thing, transfer out, I click it. Here I can do it because the Binance Smart Chain gas fees are significantly less, so I don't have to transfer a minimum of 10,000, but I'm not gonna do that. I was just showing you, right? So you can keep your money on your wallet. You don't have to transfer it into the game in order to earn SPS. In order to click and see if you're earning SPS, you move your cursor over, click on it, and you'll be brought to this screen, the SPS management screen, right? Remember yesterday I had 168 tokens. I moved it over and I'm staking it. Right now I just earned another 45 tokens just by holding dark energy crystal, right? So I have, you just saw I have 101,000 in my Ethereum wallet, my MetaMask, 72,000 in my MetaMask on my Binance Smart Chain, and I have 5,515 in the game. When I go out to the SPS token, that adds up to 178,854 that I have, right? Does it? Yeah, that should. 72. Yep, it adds up. So that 178,000 that I'm holding in total between the game and my wallet, guess what? Every day I'm earning SPS tokens right here for free. All I have to do is click claim, and I'm gonna claim all of them right now so that you can see. This number right here, this 1,782 is gonna go up. It's gonna go up by 15. So just went up. Then I'm gonna claim the rewards that I have on my Ethereum, because remember, I have Dark Energy Crystal on my Ethereum wallet and my Binance Smart Chain wallet, right? So I'm gonna claim it there too. Takes a second. 1, 2, 3. Remember, this is free money, people. This is free money that you don't have to do anything for, and you're getting for free. I'm gonna claim on my Ethereum. I just did my Binance Smart Chain. Claim. Press OK. Sign. So now all my rewards that I collected today have moved over here. Remember, from this morning, I already claimed my rewards. I'm gonna claim my rewards again from staking it, because I'm earning 302% every year. I think I said 1.5 or something like that, or 1.05 yesterday. So 365 days in a year. That's around probably 0.89 or 0.85% every day that I'm earning on this 1,833 SPS, right? It's not a lot, but it's something. And if this coin keeps going up, it's gonna be worth a lot of money later. So remember, I had 45 that I earned today. I probably had a number of 7 or 8 that I just claimed. So now I have 51 SPS tokens. I'm gonna take that 51 SPS tokens and I'm gonna stake it, right? And that's it. I'm holding my Dark Energy Crystal. I bought my Dark Energy Crystal, I bought Ethereum. I bought Ethereum. I used Uniswap. I went to CoinGecko.com, got the contract address for Ethereum, right? And then I went to Uniswap and I traded it. It went back into my MetaMask. I went to Splinterlands through CoinGecko by just clicking the website, Splinterlands, right? Log in. And then I went over here. Once you go to Splinterlands and you log in with your MetaMask, you'll see that the amount of Dark Energy Crystal that you have here, and there's nothing else that you have to do. All you have to do is hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. So I hope that was helpful. Definitely, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. We're gonna be coming out with videos hopefully every day, if not every other day. Me and Curls will be on the channel tomorrow talking about stocks, crypto. I'll probably be talking about Splinterlands again and other news in crypto. So, and stocks too, so don't forget. In order to be rich, you gotta take action. You gotta take action in order to be rich. Peace.